Next is with condition and exercise price varies. On January 1, 2020, an entity granted to a senior executive, so sa isang employee lang to, 20,000 share options, conditional upon the executives remaining in the entity's employ until December 31, 2022. That's the vesting period. So, 3 years yun. Kasi for 2020, 2021, 2022. Then, the par value per share is 50 pesos. The exercise price is 100 pesos. However, the exercise price drops to 80 pesos if the entity's earnings increase by at least an average of 10% per year over the 3-year period. And on grant date, the entity estimates that the fair value of the share option is 30 pesos if the exercise price is 80 pesos. Yun yung mga conditions niya. And then, if the exercise price is 100 pesos, the fair value of the share option is 25 pesos. During 2020 and 2021, the earnings increased by 12% and 11% respectively. So, yun yung magiging basis kung magkano yung magiging exercise price and yung sa may share options. Then, however, during 2022, the earnings increased only by 4%. So, now, let's proceed to the computation. For year 2020, we'll start with the share options. The number of share options, ito naman dito yung hindi magbabago. Kanina, ang hindi nagbabago, yung sa employees. Though, nabawasan ng 2022, pero naging consistent siya 2020 and 2021. Ayan. Yung share options natin ngayon, 20,000 para sa isang executive. Tapos, multiply with the fair value, which is it given? Is it given? That is, depende kung ano yung increase ng earnings. So, 10% ba? Or more than? Yun, ganyan. So, for 2020 and 2021, na-achieve yung 10%. That is why 30 pesos yung ating fair value. So, 20,000 times 30 pesos. 20 times 30, that is 600,000 pesos. This will be the total compensation. Then, di-divide natin yung 600,000 for 2020. 600,000 divided by 3 years vesting period. So, we have 200,000 for 2020. Same journal entry, salaries, expense, credit, share options outstanding, 200,000 pesos. Next, we have 2021. Ayan, ganun pa rin. So, 30 pa rin gagamitin natin. The number of share options, 20,000. Then, the fair value, still it is 30. So, ganun pa rin, 600,000 na total shares. Then, multiplied with fair value of 30. Ayun na nga. That is, this is to divide. Okay na pala. Yan, for 2021, we will divide 600,000 again by 3 years times 2 years kasi pangalawang taon niya na. Then, susubtract natin yung na-recognize na natin. So, 600 muna. 600,000 divide 3 years times 2 years minus na-recognize na 200,000 ng 2020. So, still we have 200,000 salary for 2021. So, salaries expense, share options outstanding of 200,000. And then, for 2022, ayan, we have the share options again of 20,000. Magbabago dito yung fair value. Kasi sabi dun sa problem, ang naging increase lang ng 2022 is 4%. That is why hindi na-achieve. So, dun tayo mag-stay sa 25 pesos na fair value ng option. So, that is 25. So, 20,000 times 25. That is 500,000 pesos. Ayan. So, ito yung total compensation. Di-divide natin to by 3 times 3 kasi 3 years na siya ngayon dahil 2022 na. So, 500,000 pa rin yun. Less yung 200,000 from 2021 and 200,000 from 2020. So, 400,000 yun. Ang magiging compensation for 2022 will be 100,000 pesos. So, debit salaries expense, then share options outstanding of 100,000 pesos. And then sabi, yun nga yung earnings target niya, hindi na achieve. So, yung exercise price is 100 pesos, and fair value will be 25. Since average will be computed 12% ng 2020, then 2021, 11%. So, ilan na yun? 23 plus 4%. That is 27% divided by 3 years. So, that is 9% lang. So, hindi abot. No, that's 12% plus 11% plus 4%. So, 27%. Ito, 2020, 2021, 2022. Divided by 3 years, average is 9%. So, kaya po, nasa 25 pesos pa rin yung fair value natin dito. Unlike yung sa nauna, diba, 12%. Ito yung 2020. Tapos, average natin siya pagdating 2021. 12 plus 11 divided by 2, that's 13. So, 12 plus 11, 23 divide 2, that is 11.5. Kaya na-achieve yung more than 10% na increase sa earnings. Kaya, tas 2022, hindi na siya kinaya. So, dun tayo kay 25. Yun yung condition.